Factory, aftermarket. This is your brain. This is your brain on alcohol. Any questions? So this is how you remove the camera. Squeeze these guys. You see? Tab right there. This pops in. Obviously it's just a plug. There's no real tools once you actually get the panel out. The panel, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. I had to squeeze this guy off. This guy on this side. To pull him off the sleeve. Obviously this one releases this, which is whoop-de-doo. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. These just pop off. So I'm going to put this guy. I'm going to take this guy out and put this guy in. Looks very, very similar. Let me get it out of the bag. See? Very, very similar. So we bought this for a reason, so it looks just like it. And Pioneer is way better than probably Honda, but who knows. So I'm going to take this guy apart and switch him. And run him as if so it looks like it's factory when it's all done. So let's play. And be back. Factory bracket. Little modifications. I shaved it right there because the new camera, the wire is so close on the other side. When you put it in, I'm going to show you. But first we have to remove the factory camera. So what you have to do, get those tabs off, and then the camera will just pop out on both sides. It broke. Oh well. Camera's going garbage anyway. So that's factory, aftermarket. Look almost identical, right? Holes up top, right? And then we drilled out, which almost match perfectly. I want one screw right there, and the rest is gonna be hot glue. So let me go mount that. I'll be right back. Now, if I didn't tell you this was aftermarket, you would never know. Because this you're not going to see either. So here's your factory. All broken to pieces. And here's your aftermarket. Now, can't tell the difference, can you, Russ? If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. I got one good screw in here. Technically I don't need any more, it's so tight, but a little hot glue never hurt. So a little notching right there, you see, and then one good screw right there, and this puppy ain't going nowhere. And that is pretty straight, if you can tell where the lines are. Everything's so black. Let's see if I can get it. See how straight that is. There you go. The top of this camera is level, straight with the plastic. You see that? A little bit of hot glue. A little bit. You don't even need it. It's so tight you don't even need it. Out of the way. So, there you have it. I'm going to put some anyway. So let's see. Everything's so black, it's hard to see. A little bit. I don't want to make it impossible to get it out. In the backside, so no one sees it. That's it. We're going to slap her back in, wire her up, and you are good to go. So I just converted an OEM camera to an aftermarket. Pioneer ND-BC010. I'll put the link in the description. That's it. This puppy ain't going nowhere. So we got her mounted. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.